So you're thinking about buying a new home or selling your current home, and you have been considering using or hiring a realtor. Or maybe you're on the fence about hiring or using a realtor. If that is the case, keep watching because this video is for you. And just like you wouldn't enter into a courtroom if you were charged with a crime without having an experienced attorney in your corner, the same goes with navigating the complex process of a real estate transaction. You need an experienced realtor in your corner. So let's get started. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about living, sleeping, breathing here in Los Angeles, California, make sure to subscribe below, hit the bell for notifications so you can always be the first one to learn about the current market here in Los Angeles, California. I'm Jonna and I'm here with the Living in Los Angeles, California team, and we get calls, texts, and emails almost daily from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Los Angeles, California. And we love it. So whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Los Angeles, California. Number 1, expertise and experience. Market knowledge. Realtors have extensive knowledge of the local real estate market, including current trends, property values, and neighborhoods. Negotiation skills. Realtors are skilled, savvy negotiators who can help you get the best deal whether you are buying or selling. Number 2, listing access. Realtors and brokers only have access to the MLS, the multiple listing service. And here you find comprehensive data on available properties, including those not found on public platforms such as Zillow and Realtor.com. On the MLS, you'll also find information and special notes about the property only shared between realtors, not available to the public, and not available on Zillow, Realtor.com, or any of those platforms. Realtors also have access to exclusive listings and information on upcoming properties not on the market yet. And that also includes off-market properties that might or might not ever hit the market. Number 3, professional networks, industry connections. Realtors have a network of professionals such as mortgage brokers, escrow companies, title companies, contractors, home inspectors, home insurance, attorneys should you need one. All of these services are extremely valuable and most of them will be needed for a smooth transaction. Referrals. Realtors can recommend trusted service providers, utility companies, and that is very useful if you are new to the area. Number 4, paperwork and legalities. Documentation. Real estate transactions involve a lot of paperwork, including contracts, disclosures, and a pile of other documents. A realtor will handle all of this efficiently, making sure everything is correctly and legally completed. And that helps you avoid potential legal issues during the transaction or even after the transaction. Regulations compliance. Realtors have great knowledge when it comes to the laws and regulations governing a real estate transaction. Number 5, marketing and promotion. Effective marketing. For sellers, realtors provide professional marketing services, including high-quality professional photos and videos, virtual tours, open houses, and online listings to attract potential buyers. Broader reach. Realtors can promote your property to a wider audience using their networks and marketing platforms, reaching people throughout the entire state, reaching people out of state throughout the entire country, and even in other countries, maximizing exposure of your property. Number 6, time and convenience. Time saving. Realtors handle the time-consuming aspects of buying or selling a home, such as scheduling showings, coordinating inspections, and managing all communications between all parties. Convenience. Realtors really do streamline the process, making it more convenient and less stressful for you. Number 7, objective perspective. Unbiased advice. Realtors will give you an objective perspective, helping you make an informed decision based in facts rather than emotions. Problem solving. A realtor can identify potential issues and problems and provide solutions, making sure that the transaction will still run smoothly. Number 8, pricing expertise. Accurate pricing. Realtors help sellers price their home accurately to attract buyers, and at the same time making sure that the seller receives fair market value or top dollar. For buyers, they advise on submitting a competitive offer based on comparable properties that we call comps and market conditions. Market analysis. Realtors conduct a comparable market analysis, a CMA, to determine the best price point for buying or selling. If you want a free CMA for your home or your property, or anyone you know needs a free CMA for their home or property, send me an email or leave me a comment. All the information is in the description. Number 9, guidance and support. Advice and counseling. Realtors offer guidance throughout the entire process, from the initial consultation and all the way through closing, giving you valuable insights and a ton of support. After-sale support. Many realtors offer after-sale services such as help with settling into your new home, or also assistance with after-purchase issues. Number 10, safety and security. Security measures. Realtors ensure the safety and security of your property by pre-screening potential buyers, accompanying them during showings, and placing a Supra lockbox on the property, only accessible to other realtors. So there you have it, 10 top benefits to using or hiring a realtor in a real estate transaction, whether you are a buyer or a seller. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to reach out or leave me a comment. If you have any questions about buying or selling real estate, reach out as well. And also, if you want to get your free copy of your CMA, contact me directly. All the information is in the description. And until next time, hope to see you or take you somewhere around town.